Hello children, hope you are all doing good. So can we recall what we have learnt in the previous class? Okay, we have learnt about order of operations, right? So what is the rule for order of operations? It is bid mass, is it children? So BIDMAS, okay? We have learnt about the bid mass rule, right? So B for bracket, I indices, and D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction, right? So this is the rule we have learnt in the previous class, okay? And also we have started learning about the estimation of numbers, right? And also we had some examples and also try these questions, right? So let us continue that. Okay children, take your classwork notebook. Children, have you all did your homeworks? Okay, very good. Okay, do it properly. Okay, so take your classwork notebook, put today's date. Write the second question in your classwork notebook, okay? So let us read. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Okay children, so we are going to round off to the nearest 10, 100 and also 1000. Okay children, so first of all let us read this number. Okay, what is the number name? So say the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, right? So 9,34,678. Okay, so 9,34,678. Okay children, so first of all what we need to do? Okay, let us round off to the nearest 10. Okay, so let us write rounding off to nearest 10. Okay, so how will you write? So let us write the number. Okay, so 9,34,678, right? So which is the tens place? We are going to round off to the nearest tens, right? So let us, it's ones and it is tens, right? So it is a tens place. Okay children, so we just mark the tens place. So what we need to do now? We need to check the next digit, okay? We need to check the next digit, okay? Whether this 8, okay, the next digit is 8, right? So whether this 8 is greater than or less than 5, okay? Is it greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5, right? So that we can add plus 1 with this. So that the answer we are getting is 9,34,680. Okay children, 9,34,680 is the answer. Okay children, so now we have rounded off to the nearest tens. Okay children, can you all understood? So let us round off to the nearest hundreds. Okay children. So next, rounding off to nearest 100. Okay, rounding off to nearest hundreds. So what is the number? 9,34,678. This is the given number, right? So what we need to do? We need to find the hundreds place, okay? So it's ones, tens and hundreds, okay? This one is the hundreds place. Okay children, so let us check whether whether the next number, okay? So it's hundreds place, okay? We need to check the nearest number. Okay children, so here we just mark the hundreds place. Okay children, so we are going to check whether the next number is greater than, okay, next number, what is the next number? 7, right? So whether the 7 is greater than or less than 5. Okay, let us check whether the 7 is greater than or less than 5. 7 is greater than or less than 5? Greater than 5, right? So that we can add plus 1 in the hundreds place. Okay children, so the answer we are getting is 9,34,000. So we are adding plus 1, right? So that 6 plus 1, 7, okay, 700, okay. 9,34,700 is the answer. Okay children, so if you are rounding off to the nearest 100, we got this as the answer. Okay children, So let us round off to the nearest 1000. Okay, we are going to round off the same number to the nearest 1000. Okay, let us write that number 9,34,678 is the question, right? It is the question. Okay, so we are going to round off to the nearest 1000. So we are going to mark the thousands place. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. This one is thousands place, right? So we are going to check whether the next number, that is 6, right? Whether the 6 is greater than or less than 5. Okay, is this greater than or less than 5? It is greater than 5, right? So that we can add plus 1 in thousands place. Okay, children. So what will you get? 9,35,000. Okay, we are just adding plus 1, right? So 4 plus 1, 5. So 35,000. So this is the answer. Okay, children. Yeah, you can copy it in your classwork notebook. Pass the video and copy. Very easy, right? Simply, if you are just going to round off to the nearest 10 means, we need to mark the tens place and we need to check the next number. Okay, next number to the 10. So next is 8, right? So we need to check whether this 8 is greater than or less than 5. Okay, children. So if it is greater than 5 means we can add plus 1. If it is less than 5 means we need to simply put the same number. Okay, children, can you all understood? Yeah. Let us do the next one. Okay, pause the video and write. Okay, children, let us see the next sum. Okay, so it's the second one. Okay. So 73, 43 and 489. So let us say the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. So 73 lakhs, 43,489. Okay, children. So we are going to round off this to the nearest tens, the hundreds and thousands. Okay, children. So first of all, let us round off this to the nearest 10. Okay. So first of all, let us write the same number: 73 lakhs, 43,489. Okay, children. So simply we are writing the same number. We are just going to mark the tens place. Okay, so it's ones and it is tens, right? So it is tens place. Okay, children. So what we need to do next? We need to check the next number. Okay, next number to the tens place. So that is 9, is it? So whether this 9 is greater than or less than 5. Okay, is 9 is greater than or less than 5? It is greater than 5, right? So that we can add plus 1 here. Okay, children. So the answer we are getting is 73 lakhs 43,490. Okay, children. So we are just adding 8 plus 1. So 90. Okay, children. Can you all understood? So we just round off this to the nearest 10. Okay. So this one is the answer. Okay. Let us round off this to the nearest 100. Okay, children. So let us write the same number: 73 lakhs 43,489. Okay. So we are going to round off this to the nearest 100. Okay. So let us mark the nearest hundreds place. Okay. We are just going to mark the hundreds place. It's ones, tens and this one is hundreds, right? So then what is the next step we need to do? We are going to select, okay, take the next number, okay, which we are going to round off. Okay, so what is the next number? 8, is it, children? So 8, we are going to find whether this 8 is greater than or less than 5. Is 8 is greater than or less than 5? Greater than 5, right? So that it is greater than 5. So that we are going to add plus 1 here. Okay, we are going to add plus 1 here. So that the answer we are getting is 73 lakhs 43,000. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, 500. Okay, children, 73 lakhs 43,500 is the answer. Okay, children. Okay, then we are going to round off to the nearest 1000. So let us write the same number. So 73 lakhs 43,489. Okay, children. So we are just writing the question. So we are going to round off to the nearest 1000. Is it, children? So we are going to mark the thousands place. Okay. So it's ones, tens, hundreds and this one is thousands. Okay. So 3 is the thousands place. Okay, children. So what is the next step we need to do? We are going to take the next number which we are going to round off. Okay, so which is the next number? 4 is the next number, right? So that we are going to check whether this 4 is greater than or less than 5. Is it greater than or less than 5? Less than 5. Is it, children? So that what we need to do? We are just writing the same digit. Okay, so up to this we are just going to write the same digit, that is 73,43,000. Okay, children. If it is greater than 5 means, we need to add plus 1 and after that we need to put 0. Okay, if it is less than 5 means we are just going to write the same digit. Okay, 73,43,000. Okay, children, can you all understood? அது greater than 5 இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம round off பண்ண போகிற digitல plus 1 add பண்ணி அடுத்த digitsக்குலாம் 0 போடுவோம். Okay, children. So if it is less than 5 இருந்துச்சுன்னா we will write the same digit and after that we will put zeros. Okay, is it clear? Okay, children, copy it in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay, so after completing this, write the third question. Okay, third question and try these. The tallest mountain. Okay, that question. Okay, children, so have you all written this question in your classwork notebook? Okay, let us read this question. The tallest mountain in the world, okay, the tallest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, okay, which is the tallest mountain? Mount Everest, right? So, Mount Everest located in Nepal is 8,848 meter high, okay, its height was given, it is 8,848 meter, okay. Its height can be rounded off to the nearest 1,000 as, okay. We are going to round off this height of the mountain. Okay, children. So let us round off this. Okay. So rounding off to the nearest 1,000. Okay, children. We are going to round off to the nearest 1,000. So what is the question? What is the height given? 8,848. Okay, so let's write that 8,848. Okay, 8,848 meter. Okay, children. So here we are going to round off to this nearest 1,000. Okay, so let us mark the thousands place. Okay, so it's ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, this one is thousands place. The children, so that what we need to do? We need to check the next place. Okay, the next place which we are going to round off. Okay, நம்ம round off பண்ண போறதோட next place நம்ம வந்து choose பண்ணணும். Okay, children, so it is 8, right? So we are going to check whether this 8 is greater than or less than 5. Okay, is this 8 is greater than or less than 5? Greater than 5, right? So 8 is greater than 5. So that what we need to do? We need to add plus 1 in the thousands place. Okay, we need to add plus 1 in the thousands place. So the answer we are getting is 9,000. Okay, children, the answer we are getting is 9,000. Okay, children, so we can, what we can write? So the estimated height of Mount Everest is 9,000 meter. Okay, children. So what we did, simply we have returned the same number, that is 8,848 meter. Okay, so what we did the next step? As the next step, we just had taken the next number which we are going to round off. Okay, நம்ம round off பண்ண போறதுக்கு next number நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம். Okay, children, this 8. Okay, we are going to check whether this 8 is greater than or less than 5. It is greater than 5, right? So that we are just going to add plus 1. So that we got 9,000. Okay, children, so the estimated height of Mount Everest is 9,000 meter. Okay, children, copy this in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay, so after completing this, write exercise 1.4 first question. Okay, fill in the blanks question in your classwork notebook. Okay, should write the question in your classwork notebook. Okay, children. Okay, write the question of the exercise 1.4 first one, just fill in the blanks. Okay, children, so let us see the first question. Fill in the blanks. The nearest 100 of 843. Okay, children, we are going to find the nearest 100. So in 843, which is the hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, this one is 100. Okay, so what we need to do? We need to check the next place, okay, which we are going to round off. Okay, the next place nearest to the place which we are going to round off. Okay, children, so that we are going to take 4. Okay, so 4, we are going to check whether this 4 is greater than or less than 5. Is this 4 is greater than or less than 5? Less than 5. Is it, children? So that what we need to do? We can write simply the same digit. Okay, that is 8, 0, 0. Okay, children, same digit, and then we need to put 0 and 0. Okay, children, can you all understood? Okay, let us check the next one. The nearest 1000 of 756. So how will you find the nearest 1000? It is not possible, right? So see here, we are having ones, tens and hundreds place only here. So that is it possible to find the thousands place? No. So that it is not possible. Okay, children. So here we are having only ones, tens and hundreds, right? Ones, tens and hundreds. But in the question they are said to the nearest 1000 of 756. So what is the nearest 1000 to the 756? So the nearest 1000 is 1000, right? So we can write simply 1000. Okay, children. So where edukume vali illa appadithane we are having only a 3-digit number, that is 756. We are not having thousands place here. So that if you are counting, okay, if you are counting up to 999, the next digit, next 1000 is 1000, right? So that we can write the answer as 1000. Can you all understood? So okay, let us see the next one. The nearest 10,000 of, okay, this number, okay. So let us write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Is it, children? So we are having the place value up to 10,000. So it is 85,654. Okay, 85,654. Okay, we are going to round off this to the nearest 10,000. So which is the 10,000s place? Okay, this one is the 10,000s place. Okay, we need to check the next number. Okay, so this one is the next number. So that we are going to check whether this 5 is greater than or less than 5. Okay, whether this 5 is greater than or less than 5. It is equal to 5, right? So if it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we are having the same rule. Okay, children. 5 விட பெருசா இருந்தாலும் 5 ஆவே இருந்தாலும் நமக்கு ஒரே ரூட் தான், we need to add plus 1. Can you all understand, children? So that it is equal to 5, so that we are adding plus 1 in the 10,000s place. Okay, children. So that 90,000. The answer is 90,000. Can you all understood? So simply we just added plus 1 here, so that we are just rounding off, so that 90,000. Okay, children. So copy this in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay, children. So after completing this, write the next one. Say true or false. Children, let us see true or false question. The first one, 8,567 is rounded off as 8,600 to the nearest 10. So let us check. Okay, we are going to round off this 8,567 to the nearest tens. Okay, children. So let us see. We are having the digit 8,567, right? So let us find the place value. It's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, children. So we are going to round off the tens place, right? So it is ones and it is tens. Okay, we are going to round off this 6. Okay, children. So what is the next step we will do? We need to round off the next number. Okay, that is 7. Okay, so 7. Let us check whether the 7 is greater than or less than 5. Is this greater than or less than 5? Greater than 5. So that what will you do? We need to add plus 1 here. So that the answer we are getting is 8,570. Okay, children, 8,570. Okay, children, so whether this answer is correct? No, right? So it is false. The first one is false. Okay, children, write the answer as false. Okay, let us see the next one. 139 is rounded off as 100 to the nearest 100. Okay, 139 is rounded off as 100 to the nearest 100. Okay, let us round off this 139. Okay, so 139. So say write the place value ones, tens and hundreds, right? So which is the hundreds place? 1 is the hundreds place. Okay children, so for rounding off we need to take the next digit, right? So 3. So let us check whether this 3 is greater than or less than 5. Less than 5. Is it children? So that what will you get? You will get 100. Is it children? So it is less than 5 means we will write the same digit, the same 1, and after that we will put 2 zeros. Okay, so we will get the answer as 100. So is it true or false? It is true. Okay, we got the answer as 100. So that it is true. Right, true. Okay, and then see the next question. So it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. So it is 1 crore, 70 lakhs, 51,972 is rounded off as 1 crore 70,000 to the nearest lakh. Okay, so let us round off this to the nearest lakh. Okay, so 1 crore 70 lakhs 51,972. Okay, 1 crore 70 lakhs 51,972. Okay, okay, let us write the place value. It's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. Okay children, so we are going to round off to the nearest lakh, right? So this one is the place of lakh. Okay children, so how will you round off this? It is lakhs place. So we are going to check the next digit 5. Okay, next digit, the next digit, right? So we need to check the number 5. Okay, so let us check whether this 5 is greater than or less than 5. Is this greater than or less than 5? It is equal to 5, right? In the previous sum itself I explained, right? So if it is equal to 5 means also we need to add plus 1. So that we are just adding plus 1 here. So the answer we are getting is 1 crore 71 lakhs. Okay children, 1 lakh 71 crores. Okay, whether we got this one? No, right? We got 1,70,000. 1,70,000. Sorry, 1 crore 70 lakhs. Is it true? No, it is false. Okay children, so write the answer as false. Okay children, that's all about today's class. Okay, note your today's homework. Okay, your homework is from page number 20. Try these. Okay, from the second question, third is your homework, and in page number 21 there is exercise 1.4. In third question, first and second is your homework. Okay children, do your homework properly. Okay, thank you.